Hey guys, welcome back to A Day in the Life with Derica. As you can see by that thumbnail and as you can see by that title, then you already know what this video is going to consist of. Don't forget to like, comment, and continue to subscribe to your girl channel. I'm on the road to 300 subscribers. Make sure you guys get me there. But anyways, yeah, right now I'm pumping my gas. I was on the road last night. I left from Florida last night and I came back to Alabama because I have graduation tomorrow, you guys. Period. Your girl graduate. About time. After hell that I done been through with this school. So I got my lashes done on Monday. I'm about to go get my nails done and my toes done. I just finished getting my hair done and I'm just filling up my car. And now I'm waiting for it to be done. I really like my hair, like, period. I'm about to take me so many pictures. I'm ready to be outside. Yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And continue to like your girls' videos. I meant continue to subscribe to my channel is what I meant. I'm getting ready for graduation. I just recurled my hair. Like wand curl. Well, not wand curl. They supposed to be wand curls, but I curled it with a flat iron. I see on TikTok you can do it like with a flat iron. I have to be there by 10:30 and I think it's like 9:15. I'm about to go eat breakfast right quick and then I'm gonna be back to like flat iron it and then get dressed. Then I'll be on my way. I will give y'all an Airbnb tour, but I should have did it yesterday because my bed messed up. All the beds messed up because we slept in them last night. And then my nieces and stuff are here. We went over to my brother's and see my brother and my sister-in-law and my other nieces and nephews. Yeah, but I'm about to go eat right quick and then I gotta come back up here and finish getting ready and I have to be there by 10:30. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got my nails done yesterday. French tip, of course. If you know, then you know my favorite color is yellow. I got my toes done. I can't show y'all my toes. I'm ass short now. I'll show them later. But I'm about to go eat breakfast, okay? Be right back. Okay, y'all. This is me. I'm ready. I got my black dress. Did my hair. I'm running late. It's about 10 o'clock. I'm about to put my cap and gown on, see how I look. And I'll be right back.
Jemiah Santana Cook. Percuss. Amaya Nicole Baker.
That's my sister, guys. Are you recording? Yes.
Folks will know.
Look at my hand. That was right there. Gotta be careful. You see all this color out here. She like autograph pictures. Trying to get it together. You need some help? I know it's dark. Like the lighting in here is terrible. I should have brought the light that goes on top of my phone, but I didn't. But I'm currently sitting on the rooftop for somebody to come take my pictures for me. I took pictures earlier, but I wanted pictures with my car. So it's like, and my car was dirty earlier, so I couldn't take pictures with my car. And plus I had heels on. I had to walk all the way back to my car and take pictures. I didn't want to do that, so I just took pictures by the water fountain earlier. And then after that, I went out to eat with my family. Then I went home to recurl my hair because my curls had failed and it became poofy looking.
New text message from +1334.
That's one thing that I do not like about this car. It literally will tilt. Like if I'm playing just like on the media and it's not CarPlay, but I'm just hooked up to Bluetooth, It will literally tell you who takes my phone. I cannot stand that. I hate it. I do not like that. But the thing with CarPlay, CarPlay, Apple Play, whatever it's called, it doesn't do that. The only thing that it does is just show, like, it'll pop up on the screen. But that's fine because I can stop it from happening that way. But when it says, like, stuff like that, it announces to the whole car that I got a message. Like, you never know who I have in my car, and it's like, whoop, 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 sent the text message. Would you like to read it? Would you like to open it? Would you like to listen to it? No, I don't want to listen to it. Why are you announcing that? But honestly, if I'm being honest, I had this car since the end of December, and it's been, 5 months? That's crazy. And I haven't really got to know my car. Like, I just really just go to work and go home. I have time on the weekends to get in the car, but it's just like, who wants to sit in the car and do all that? I'm more about the outside look than the inside look. Like, honestly, I'm still not doing stuff to my car. I know I got the wrap and everything done, but I'm still not done adding stuff to the outside of my car. Like, I want my car to look like masculine. I want my car to look like just big doll. Like, you'll think a dude getting out this car the whole time it's a girl. But anyway, that's how folks think. Anyway, they'll think it's a dude in the car. And then I got my windows tinted, so you can't see in here. Windshield, you can't see in here. But when they see me get out, it's a girl in here. No, dude, it's a girl in here. But like I said, I just want to add so much more to, like, the outside of my car. I want to do so much more to my car. So much. I'm being patient because honestly, when I first got this car, I jumped on it. I wanted to get it wrapped. What else did I get down to it? Got the windows tinted, and I just chilled after that. But now, honestly, I want to get back on it to, like, install a lot of more stuff. I'm not going to tell y'all what I want to do. I want, like, inside, I want to do stuff inside as well. Like, I want to do so much with my car. Like, so much. But I just took a rest on that, and I think I'm about to start back up on it and everything. But yeah, like I said, I'm just sitting here waiting for him to get here. Tried the clear, like the clear bottle, the blue clear bottle of Don Julio, but I never tried the Reposado Don Julio. So I'm about to take a shot. I'm gonna wait until they get here, because I honestly want to stand outside. I'm sitting in a car, and I don't really like the light in the car. And y'all, I forgot my tripod all the way in Florida. I just thought about that. I forgot about my freaking tripod. Now I can't, like, record, like, do little snippets of me getting my stuff done. Dang. Yes, I can. I can sit it up on something. I have to find something to sit it up on. I might go down that way, because it's more light right there. It's more light over that way. So I might go over there and sit it on something so that y'all can see me do my little one too. Look at my baby. He's a chihuahua. Say hi. Say hi. Say my name is Pepper. Say my name is Pepper. No, don't lick me. I don't play them games. Like I said, we be posting on the block like some YNs. You never know. I forgot what I was going to tell y'all. Oh, I was about to tell y'all about my day. Okay, so this morning I woke up. My nieces woke me up this morning. They were loud. Well, my niece, Scarlett, she was loud. So I woke up around like 7. Got out of bed like 7:30. Then, what else I do? Then I went downstairs. She was like, "Hi, TT." I was like, "Good morning, baby." And then my other niece woke up, Raya Roo. She woke up, and she not no morning baby. Ooh, she not no morning baby. She not no. Anytime she wake up, baby, she got an attitude. She don't want to deal with folks. She get that from me. So it took her a minute to come to me. I didn't want to bother her, cause like I said, she don't want to be bothered. She wake up with a mean face, baby. She be mean mugging everybody. But hey, stop, Pep. And then what else? Then my dad, they came home. My dad and my mom came home for groceries, because we stayed in the Airbnb. Like I said, I wanted to get our Airbnb tour, but I should have did it yesterday when, like, everything was good. And then we ate breakfast, and then I started getting ready around 8:30, which was very late. I started to wind curl my hair. Oh, and then breakfast was ready around like 9:25 actually. When I said it was like 9:15, it's actually 9:25 when I told y'all it was 9:15. And then I went downstairs to eat breakfast. I didn't finish eating breakfast till like 9:41. And by that time, I just got on it. That's why I ain't record, you know, get me dressed like I said I was. Get the fuck on. Hold on, I'm gonna be back. All right, y'all, it's like a whole 2 weeks later and I'm just not in this video, but that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and continue to subscribe to my channel. Girls on the way to 300 subscribers, so make sure you guys get me there. If you see the same background in the next video, just know, I don't know. Like I said, thank you guys for watching this video.
It's connected to you.